and day and night, day and night.
What's up guys, it's your boy Pro Gamer. So today I'll be reviewing with you that there is no game. So let's start another game by Camisoto. What kind of names are these? Probably not made with constructors. Okay, let's start. Hello. What are they? There is no game. I hope you're not too much disappointed. You can still watch TV, go outside, read a book, ask for a refund. No, refund, that game's free. This is not a game. It has nothing to do with it. It's just a massive package of boredom. I'm not here to not play a game. Of course there is a game. There's nothing to do here. I'll press the title. Anything. I'll press anything. Come on. Oh, the old car move. Come on. Go down. Yeah. What have you done? You are following the title. Okay, I'm sorry. I'll put it back. But it can't fit inside. And what's that white thing up? Come on. Go down. Yeah. Oh, it's a volume button. Shut up, you bastard. Shut up. You're trying to kill me. Okay. Come on. Yeah. Shut up. You think wood can stop me? Take this. Yeah. Oh. Call Superman for that. Just in case. A few kryptonite. I know Superman does not exist, but as we're in the game, no we're not. Okay, I ruined the title, yes. Go on, destroy my life. What a nice, whoa, it's nails, come on, let me take it out. Out, I can't take the next one, just, what? Sound is getting so weird. Yeah, the another one. There is a game, yeah. There is a game. An E. Yeah, here's my game. Come on, let's play. Don't play, it's forbidden. If you play, they will come. Who will come? Okay, oh, he destroyed my ball. How will I play right now? Of course there's something to press. Come on, where's the ball? I have two balls right there. Oh, I need to grab the ball. Okay, that's great. I know, I want to stop, but I can't. Come on. What will happen if I finish the game? We will see right now. What's this? Glitches? Why didn't you say that it's glitches? I would have stopped. You must find a way to get rid of them. And this is a disaster. No, it's not. It's just only glitches. Come on, last two, yeah. I got a cup. Yeah, a cup. A goat. No, I can't leave the cup right there. It's my cup. I'm trying to win the title of the game, but I need just when he said there's a goat, we need a goat there. Why don't we get a goat? Oh, goat. Hello, goaty. Oh no, he's in jail. We will have come here. Something you can climb. That reminds me of my childhood. We got tree. Yeah, tree. Tree can be climbed. Where's the E? Oh, it's right there. And yeah, now I need water for it. It can like get bigger. Okay, that's great. Now, yeah, water for trees. What the fuck? Wait a minute. Yeah, now we can give it water. Oh, with one cup of water it's getting bigger. I wish that's real life, like everyone would be full of trees. Now we're getting vegetables and fruits faster. Now we can go up. What's a squirrel? What's that brown thing right there? Oh, no, you're not getting what? It's now naked. Never mind. Do I need to give it for the squirrel? Yeah, I need to. Are we trading right now? Now free the goats into a chimerical hit. Save the goat, save the world. Okay, yeah, I saved the goat. What happened? The goat was a lie. A lie. It's getting worse. More glitches. I'm drowning. What the hell? Why are you drowning? Do he mean that he's drowning in glitches or what? No, wow, he's still alive. I was wrong, it was a bad idea. Everything disappeared except me. And I'm still there. I'm so sorry. I put you in danger, it's all my fault, I know. Please will you forgive me? Yes, of course, why don't I, friend? What a great news. Maybe we can be friends. No, that's not a good idea. We will get bored quickly together. Why? Because, as I said, there is no... Okay. Okay, thank you guys. That was my video for today. If you liked it, pump that like button and subscribe. Waiting the next video. Bye, and I see all of you guys in the next video.
Cool. Go. Now I'll put the torches so like at night I can see my